Good evening, good evening, good evening. We are live. We are live building. All right. We are live in the building. Let's see. What do we have here? I won't be able to sit like this. All right, that gold looks nice. It looks very nice. Looks berries to me tonight. That's a nice berries rejection there. I am thinking of getting in aggressively again. If we can get a break. Yeah. If we can get a break here. I am thinking of getting in aggressively tonight. This is gonna be a similar setup like I took last night, a quick scalp trade. Alright, I'm gonna enter. So I'm just targeting these lows here at the bottom. So let's see. You see it's on this 15-minute. Price can still move all the way down here, but I'm just going for my around here. My TP will be just below this previous low here. Tight stop loss. So let's see. Hi, Sain. Oh my gosh, that is quick. I didn't expect that. That is quick. Alright, rejected right at the supply zone. Ooh, gosh. There is some quick profits there. Hi, Adrian. Good evening. So my TP1 is around here, and then TP2 will be all the way down here at this liquidity at the bottom. I'm just going for this 1:2. So this is a nice entry here at 3348, right at the break of this body. Oh, all right, let's see where this candle is going to close. Hi, my friend. Okay, so when I came to the market, I just said now I'm looking to take a quick scalp. So I was waiting for on the 15 minute. You'll notice this 15-minute candle. There's my supply zone, right? So once I saw that 15-minute candle close like that, I hopped onto the 5 minute and I saw this break of a candle right here. And that is where I entered and price dropped so quick now. So I said I'm looking for targeting the just below this low here. Okay, that's a good close. That's a good bearish close there. A re-entry would be around if price pull back, retest again here, and then we take it all the way down to the 15-minute liquidity at the bottom here. You see what I mean? So yeah, that would be an idea. But for now, I'm targeting my first TPs around here. So maybe it will give us a pullback and then you can still enter. Hi, Eldred. Hi. Yes, I agree with you. If you check on the 15-minute, it looks beautiful, eh? Oops. This price action looks so good. Price action looks really good. So it's pulling back a little bit. Let's see if it's gonna pull back and retest us low here. Come on now. It's almost there. Let's go now. All right. I was hoping it could come back here for another entry here at 3348. Let's see. It's pulling back now. Here we go. There we go. Just check here. Okay, right at entry again. It has to reject now. It has to reject now of the. That candle must be a rejection candle now. 2 more minutes before that candle close. All right, we see a rejection of there. Nicely rejected. But we still have to see where that candle is going to close. There's 1 minute left. All right. That rejection is strong confirmation that price is going to drop. Let's go now. We just need to see price come below this 3346. Just below these two candles here. Then we will see a quick look at all this liquidity at the bottom. Beautiful. Let's go. I think I can remove this now. That's a beautiful candle. That doji is showing us that momentum is pressing down. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Damn! Look at that drop. That's a crazy drop. That's beautiful. Let's go. Nice, nice profits. Notice how it came just almost close to the body of the. But my TP1 is just below this. It's here around 3342. 334. I'm going for this week here on the 15 minute. And notice there's a week there. Let's drop. Let's drop. Momentum is strong, eh? That's good. That's nice momentum there. Come on, go. You can see it wants to drop more. It's nice, strong momentum. I love it. I'm gonna take. Let me see here. Um, three, three, four, three. It's right here. Let's go now. As long as you have higher time frame confirmation, you don't have to panic. Damn, look at that pullback. It's huge. And that's the thing with gold. You never know. All right, 20 seconds on this candle. It's still strong berries. Still very much strong berries. Why is it? I need you to close below these wicks. You don't need to. Alright, let's see now. We need for you to drop more coat. Three more minutes. Let's see. Okay, it looks still good. Now that girl is pulling back. It's literally 5 more minutes for this can before the 15-minute can will close. But it is still strong berries. What's happening here? Okay. Ah, thank you for the new subscriber. If price break this week here, if it comes higher than this week, that is where I'm currently looking to exit. But if you check on a 15 minute, it should not even come above that area there. This is a strong supply zone. However, we can, if the market decide to reverse at this stage, just ensure that you don't lose too much. So that's why I will have my stop loss right above this week here. Always protect your capital and focus on risk management. It can be a good trade, but if you lose money on the trade, then it's not good. Must make sure you make money from it. Right? I still see, if you check on 15 minute, I'm not panicking yet because this is just a 15-minute candle that is busy moving, as you can see there. So the fact I would like this 15-minute candle also to close below the body of this candle now in 3 minutes time. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm sorry. Looks weird. Are you really coming back to entry again before you drop? Like that, it looks like that to me now. 3348. Yeah. 2 more minutes before this candle close, and then at 7 o'clock as well. Okay, let's see. I just want to check something. Yeah, price just came back to retest this low again, and now it's rejecting off there. There's literally 50 seconds on this candle left. Gold likes to play like this. That could be the fact that it dropped all the way down is saying that it still wants to go down. That is now at 7. I'm out. Really go? Is that what you want to do now? Yeah, no, I'm out. I'm out. It's probably now going to tap again into the supply before it drops. It's right now at 7. Let's see. I'm going to re-enter. I'm just waiting for price to break this body here. I do see price coming all the way down to 336. So I'm not worried. Come on, gold. You see these wicks are devious. I did have my stop loss above here, but I decided to just get out after this because I did go in with a higher lot size and I did risk a lot. I believe price is going to drop even lower than 3344. You see, the supply zone is still valid, so that is my confirmation. And also on higher time frames, we can see definitely price is still strongly bearish. That looks like a good closer, that candle. But that's on a 5 minute, I mean. So I would like to see more berries momentum though. So the setup will become invalid once we get this candle moving, even closing above this blue line that I have right here. This blue line 3350. Because if we get a candle closing above that area, that means that price is reversing its momentum to the upside now. Because then it also means that this high, that price is breaking a high. So since we are still below these lows, price is still giving us these candles are closing below the low, this low. Hence this setup is still valid. You'll see it will move up and then where that candle close matters to us. Well, let's wait and see. Where's the momentum now? Oh no, I don't like it. Momentum is shifting. That is the reason why I like to scalp. Here we were up $200. Check what's happening here currently. I don't like this on the 15 minute. I can see it's lining up with this low. So it basically just hit this low. I'm out. And then if you got in here with me, that was like a 1:2 risk to reward. And there the setup becomes invalid. Like I said, if this candle close above this blue 3350, then price is reversing. And if you check on the 15 minute, if I take this away, you can see price broke this low, but it did not close below. And then we get this bullish candle. So to me, it looks like price wants to continue. Look at how it's breaking. It's going to break this high now. I don't think it will tap into this zone and then continue down. Let's see. Let's see if it rejects off here. This 15-minute candle. Let's see what it does. You see how it's now dropping? But it's 3 minutes. When this candle close now above this, the setup is invalid already. Oh, so good. I'm glad I'm caught up. That's the reason why I scalp gold. I can't with especially with this type of price action recently, Look at all these weeks. All these weeks. That's why when you get the chance to enter, like for instance from on a 15 minute, I'm gonna show you something. If you get a chance to enter this early and the move goes from here to there, you take your money. Because just check how price reversed on us and all the signs, all the confirmations was there, the rejection. Look at this doji, look at this bearish candle, broke, and now it's coming back into the zone, and it's 2 minutes before this candle closed. So I would like to see, look at the 5 minute. This 5 minute candle is closing strong bullish. There's no sign of rejection on this of this is a strong bullish candle. We got before that we got two rejection candles. This one, we got this beautiful rejection and then price dropped. But we got a nice rejection and then this uh you see how I know that price is now going to break this high. Yep. One more minute. Ah, part of the game. This is part of the game. As long as you know what you are looking for, as long as you know when your setup is invalid and when your setup becomes invalid, and you act on that, now you can identify this. Look at this pattern here. The fact that this candle is above this high, that is an indication that price wants to break a new high and then go up and make new highs. Maybe retest, make a new high, and then continue going up. Let's see. If this candle close now, I'm going to remove this zone. All right, guys, that is it for tonight. Thank you for those who tuned in tonight. Thank you for liking the lives. I hope you find value out of these lives because sometimes I just speak things like speak to myself, like I'm actually talking to myself. But yeah, I'm just sharing my thoughts in trading this crazy market. You will notice that gold is not moving the same, so you have to adapt yourself. That's why I'm not going for the bigger moves anymore. I'm just sticking to getting those 50 to 60 pips and be out of the market. Because the market is crazy like this volatile. Even though that candle closed like that, I won't enter again. I am done for tonight. You see how this 15-minute candle, this must give you an indication that this bullish candle is closing even. If I take a line and I put it on the body of that candle, you can see close above, close above that high now. And just check on a 30-minute time frame. What is happening here? Price wants to continue going up. I have my key areas there, so I do think price is not tonight, but it is heading all the way up. So yeah, I will be back on Thursday. Let's see what the market is going to do on Thursday. Looking for those quick scalping setups. You see, it broke, and it's breaking. This blue line is a key area at 3350. Remember this level? This level has been a level on my charts. I've never taken it off for the past 2 months. So this 3350 is a strong daily level. It's based on a daily time frame. So the fact that price is above this at 3350 now, you can be sure that it is going to move bullish. You check on the 4 hour time frame. 1 hour. We were caught up in a reversal. Just check there. We were caught up in that reversal. Because all the signs, that's the reason why we lost. And why it didn't drop all the way down. Because we were caught up in this reversal and now it's breaking that low. But that's fine. We come back stronger. We trade for another day. Guys and girls, see you. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. I am out.